People, welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now, I know you're tired to hear it, but you're going to keep on hearing it until the people who actually have the power, the ability, the official people and people with the big title them, accept reality. It's a minority of 87s, right? A minority of gangs that do the majority of damage in Ironman. Murders, robberies, you can tell. If you were to put them on a table, like in the movies, you see some pictures on some table. If you put them pictures up on a table and just start connecting the dot, you will see them tie back to a small group. You will see that's the gang them even time them based in a Mobile, even time the gang them based in a St. Catherine, even time the Don come from, Waterhouse. You will see murders take place as far away, right, as the other end of the island. Enough place where you see, right, get hot. Right. And the same man them who did, come from the Mobile or the Spanish town, go into the community there, start link with some kerosene. Because them normally enter via the kerosene, right, because, woman have a man, and a man come live with her and nobody not ready to look and say what go on. Right. That's the easiest way, the smoothest way for them to go into the community. Right. Then the next method is them bridging. But with the bridging now, when people start saying man and man, people get, oh my god, I wouldn't bother. But when time of year say, I carry a man, then people tend to really ask much more question. But see a man them turn up other parishes. What may I talk about? The clansman, anti-gang. The man them left the case. How much of them now dead or gone back to prison? Yesterday you would have heard say Barber, right? We hear about for long Barber, when a black man, starting 11, was killed. It was Damien. Right. I'm not exaggerating. Barber and Damien alone, especially Damien, increased Jamaica's murder tally, right, by over double digits. Damien, right, alone. So before him dead. Them things ain't really going to the news because, well, maybe certain people don't want it known say they see a man them who them let go back into the streets actually spike up back the murders. Don't just watch Spanish Town, because for the man them, when them get Lego, they never immediately go back and Spain. Plus the set of they get Lego the year before, you will see clansman alone, right, has spiked Jamaica, right, murder figures. Clansman alone, we don't even have to touch upon the rest of gang them. Right. This is one of you understand why we keep, right, the spotlight on certain gangs, right, because you have gunmen all over. You have 87s all over. But when you talk about the sheer volume of murders, you can tie them back into the same unit them. The biggest gangs in Ironman. The clans, the one another. Right. Back when Mobies, when it was Stone Crusher, same to Stone Crusher. So murders happen at far over and people say, who do it? Stone Crusher, man. This is why, right, somebody who live in Denantown, somebody who live in Tivoli Gardens can have, right, dozens of murders, and people in the community might only, right, see one and two of them do. The rest of them are out of the community. You have 87s who have never killed in them community. Right. You hear me talk about Q, right? Clansman Q. He was also an anti-gang. Beat it. Now you remember the big robbery of Mandeville? Berrylium? One of them catch on camera and see the boy them with the rifle. See, these are some kind of, it's like a high profile, that them a link with the government for bringing in this and some. They call the man hold the rifle because that's what the boy, them train like some specialists. I'm telling you, unicorn meat, 87 them there. 87 them there. Man. That's the thing, we back in the day when time we start making certain videos. I'm like showing certain things and I said, they meet there. Something different but they meet them. They meet right, some spooky. Then we find out say Ranko gang involved, alright. Makes sense. Right, the man them a link with Ranko. Or work with Ranko police, by the way, if you don't know. Or if you don't remember, Ranko them a police. But enough of them robbery I see about the place. You just look at the boy hold the rifle, look at the boy. 87. Q! Right. Took part in the Mandible Berrylium. Same one on my cover. Q! From Spanish Town. Clansman Q. Matter of fact, seen it on your screen. I knew this from the day it go down. As it go down, the intel reached back to me. A Q, you know. I said, look, you show, why I never say nothing now? Well, right. You don't know, we talk about PIA special ops. Right. Sometimes, right, we kind of hold off certain things until something else happens. Well, now, Q has been officially charged. You see, enough time I tell them, they say, right, then hold on upon him, and 2 days after, them let go. That's what used to happen with Muta them. Because, right, then hold on upon him again, and 2 days after. Some realize they don't even work talking about hold on upon. Right. Well, Q has been officially charged now. The same Q that was an anti-gang, right, not guilty, going back a road youth, right, was a part of one of the most viral robberies now, man. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, somebody did end up dead. Multiple civilians were shot. One of them ended up losing life, if I'm not mistaken. Right. So much Berrylium robberies take place, almost get confusing sometimes. But Q, look how random that is. A Spanish Town, 87. Clansman, St. Catherine base. Man, they might take part in a Mandible robbery. I tell them, say Berrylium is seen as food. But then I also realize, for the people who come on the TV screen, they've convinced themselves that they somehow sit at the upper echelons of intel gathering and they know everything. So when they make certain time, they even bother challenge it from just alright. And they might the big title. When they might tell them no workers, this, and they might tell it, oh, Berrylium man, just a few little mistakes and there's not much they could do. But tell them from a long time, so Berrylium is seen as food. But there's no say, right, certain things will go down, certain things where 87s are say, certain gangs, right, where hero are going in real time. If them boy they can't pull off, this is how to them robbery. This is how the Spain man them look on it. If them boy they can't pull off them robbery, then them boy they are idiot. Imagine when the real gunman goes. This is how they look on it. Right? The biggest gangs, right? The man them come from the One Hard and the clans. Right? The man them come from the Janko Nation. Them sit down and them watch and them say them boy they are idiot, them boy they do that. Then we can do it too. Everybody want them turn. Berrylium gets hit because Berrylium carry the most money. Right? When they talk about the big corporations moving the serious money, the 20 and the 30 and the $1 million one trip, Berrylium do that. Now for the other place, them carry small money compared to Berrylium. Right? The man them say, right, they're an easy target. They see them as food. Easy lunch. Right. And when them see images of man running and fling with them rifle, it encourages them even further. I'm telling you this. You think a man like Q them are go sit down and I go for them share? Well, them get charged, but who knows where most of the money gone? And by the way, obviously it wasn't Q alone, it was him link up with man from all over, because a group of Spanish town you now just travel randomly to, you know, man just pull off them have them links and them sources all over. Right. Pull off a Berrylium robbery, you know, you need enough people. Right, you have the man will come do the robbery itself, but then you have the people who down there. Right, watch this, alright. Them normally come this time, they normally do this and normally do that. Alright, them come around and say I'm growing, so they need eyes and ears everywhere. The Q was a part of that, that's Q on the screen. This is how I know say, right? When people know you, they know you. You see, even when as soon as the video come out, people could spot you, you know. You know, so when people know you, like really know you, all into your mask up, they know you. I wonder if you listen to me. When people know you, even if you put on a mask, and by the way, it never really happen in an Iron Man that often. But you know, say, in some countries, even in some places, man regularly go to prison even though they wear mask and shootings. You know that? The no face, no case is a myth. You know that? We need some, let's just say your prosecution and your investigators need to be on top form. But no face, no cases of me. Because master gonna shoot man and them still. Right. Sink in a court. A witness can still say him that him never have a mask. In an Iron Man, judge a fling it out. Was he wearing a mask? Yes, or case dasher, you can never see. But in certain jurisdictions, you still get sink with mask on your face. When people know you, they know you. And there's other ways to identify you apart from your face. The face is just the easiest. Extraordinary, right? The clansman them, gone back a road, how much killing start going, how much robbery start going. They see a man them. Right? This is how it works right across the board. Mobile man them. You see the shootings at mobiles, the man them like kill and get killed, 87. Wanted man. And they see a man them. The two innocent children lose them life, right? The man then come be killed at 87. Right? Who had his own problems with the law. And I said, no, 87 to them thing already. Innocent pitney get caught in the crossfire. And by the way, that shooting, I'm gonna be able to pitney them. The boy them turn on the rifle them, right? In a way where them know say people in the taxi that get shot up. So nobody make it sound like I just some random street. The way them shot to the car, them know say people in the car and them know say other people that get shot. Right? So let's just people, oh my God, this isn't like we should give them a pass because it's like an accident. I saw them do it. Come for a man, in the corner, everybody get it. Everything they try to get it, then their business. That's why everybody start talking about, oh, everybody can get it. Right? When they pull up, everybody can get it. This is the attitude of 87s. Right? Anybody in the general era, this is how you hear say 6 get shot. And a one man then come for. You think they don't factor in, say rounds that go fly straight? They know that. They don't care. Anti-gang. If these men were off the road, if Damien was off the road permanently, if Q them was off the road from long time, Jamaica, right, would have actually continued down the road, right, of reducing murders. And again, we're talking about clansman. Now I make it sound like I them alone as spike murders, but I'm just giving you some actual cases where we can definitely say them other things and I kill back people. And I carry out all kind of robberies. And in the Manchester robbery, people are dead to robbery and murder. Right. So they see a man them. Well, I'm going to tell Q about the social intervention program. You can teach him how to raise 2 fowl in our yard. Or him can go lick Berrylium with him friend him and make $30 million in 2 minutes. I'm already a killer. Love badness, love killing, nothing to me. Robbery even easier. And I will keep losing because, let me say, now I learn. And as them say, the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over and expecting different results. So them still a continue. Social intervention. We could try this program. We could talk to him though. Make bad man cool. We could bring them together in one room, make them talk. Silly. Right. The man them don't kill off from each other mother and father and brother and friend. Right. All it ain't cool for 5 minutes in front of the camera. Right. One man in the gang I say, yo, that not go so, that not go so. So Q from Spanish Town, Q from Clansman, right, took part in the major robbery, the viral robbery, Berrylium. Now, I want thing for ID him, right, but then the next thing for turn up a court, so I can see how that party go. But for now, Q has been officially charged, right, for the Berrylium robbery. Same on the left hand again. Q got many chances, and all them go rob people and all kind of things. That's one thing, at least money can get back. But they end up kill people and shot people and traumatize enough. I mean, the people them who are alive, who didn't get no physical wound, enough of them traumatized, enough of them, as I said, enough Jamaicans sing and marry in a death and destruction till them see it. Until them hear somebody ball out to get shot. Right, then they run gone to church, or they run gone to the mosque, they run gone to the synagogue. Man, just last week, right, they were dibbling and dabbling and loving their acidity. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, see you circling. Bless.